Today we're going to learn how to make chocolate chip cookies. And then if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll ask you a question. And then if you answer the question, you'll be put in a draw to win a prize. Now first, you need to grab all your ingredients. You need all-purpose flour, baking soda, canola oil, brown sugar, white sugar, 2 eggs, chocolate chips, and parchment paper. First, we're going to be preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to stir together 2.5 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now in another large bowl, we're going to put 1 cup of canola oil, 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, and beat in 2 eggs in the bowl. We're going to stir this together. And then in a normal bowl, we're going to crack our eggs and beat them with a fork. These eggs are going to go into our last bowl. Along with the other bowl. And then we're going to stir this together too. And now we're going to add our 1 cup of chocolate chips to the bowl also. Now that all of our ingredients are in the bowl, we're going to grab our cookie sheet and put the parchment paper on the cookie sheet. We're going to grab a little bit of the ingredients, make them into a ball shape, and then put them on the cookie sheet. When our oven gets to 350 degrees, that's when we can put the cookies in the oven. We'll set a timer for 8 minutes. When the 8 minutes is up, you can grab the cookies and leave them to cool down for a few minutes before eating them. And that's all there is to it when making chocolate chip cookies. The question for this video is, what is your favorite dessert? Comment down your answer for a chance to win the prize. And the prize for this video is this prize bucket. So comment down your answer for a chance to win the prize bucket.